Malcolm Holmes, General Manager for the Great Central Railway, and a very special day here today because after 5 weeks of closure to have 2 bridges replaced, we've reopened once again with steam trains. So you can expect our double-track mainline railway with our big steam locomotives and all our facilities available, our cafes, our on-train griddle car, everything. We've got a 125-year-old railway and our bridges are gradually wearing out. So we had 2 metal girder bridges that needed to be replaced because they were life expired. We did 2 at the same time, one to the south of Quorn and one to the north of Quorn. So over the last 5 weeks they were taken out, new concrete bridges put in that will last another 120 years. We've still got a speed restriction at the moment, 15 mile an hour on both bridges, and very soon we'll be back up to our full speed again. Whilst we've been replacing the bridges, we haven't closed entirely. We've been running our branch line to Mount Sorrel, including the Mount Sorrel Heritage Centre, which has actually been very popular. So it's been brilliant to take advantage of the branch line, and we'll be running that again in the months ahead.
Good morning everyone, welcome to the Great Central Railway and Quorn Station, reopening after 5 weeks closed. The first train of the day, the 10:09 for Rothley and
I'm Andrew Devine. Today I'm porter in charge here at Quorn House Station. It's a bit like Boxing Day because what we would normally do is shut down for Christmas, but now it's nice to have passengers back on again. In about 2 or 3 minutes we can have our first train through since the end of February, which is very nice because during the 5-week shutdown all was having was engineering trains come through and that was about it. No, nothing really special. Of course the engineers are quite hard working, so they're special in their own right.
The next big event actually is Easter weekend, and here at Quorn there's already traction engines arriving on site for one of our biggest events of the year. We've got the Diesel Gala then coming at the end of April. The visiting loco for the Diesel Gala is the Class 17 Clayton, so looking forward to that, having that on the railway, I think for the first time. And then we've got our 50th anniversary event in the middle of June, and that celebrates 50 years since the first passenger train operated in preservation. We're a heritage railway with 125 years of history, but actually the preservation period is now a story in its own right. Replacing the 2 bridges here has been a whole railway effort. So a huge thanks to all of the railway staff who made it possible, but also our funders, the David Clark Railway Trust, and also the Friends of Great Central Main Line, who have made it all possible. So finally, thanks to all of you for bearing with us while we've been closed, and do come and see us again very soon. Really looking forward to welcoming you back to the Great Central Railway.